Let's start. The Wednesday watch list whittled down. So I will go through a list of stocks. After each one, you let me know on text whether it's one for the watch list or one to ignore. One other thing. Here's the twist in the tail. I bought one of these at 4:05 today. Okay, let's get into it. Boom Battle Bar, Escape Hunt, an old favorite, XP Factory. What's the verdict here? So they came out with a trading update. XP Factory. By the way, I think this is I still think XP is in this sector, in the microcap, small cap sector, in leisure and all that stuff. I think it's the best. Have you seen Revolution Bars? And what's the other one? The one laden with debt. They think they've taken over the other one laden with debt. What's the other one? Nightcap, Sarah Willingdon. That's it. You're on the ball. So group turnover, 57 million, 22 million. Of course, there's a lot of that, is added on acquisitions and new bars. But these are, organic, like sales. So still double digit. Good growth. In this market where apparently no one's spending, no one's going out. And this is to 13 weeks to 31st of March. But still decent growth there. Like for like. Robust like for like growth, including maturing of sites, opening there. So it's all looking at 11.7% there, 36 there, in line with market expectations for the 15 months. In any event, they'll get them out before the 30th of thing. So let's have a look at XP Factory on the MicroCap League. 14 pence share price, target price 32 pence, 128% upside, says the broker. Market cap 24, enterprise value round about the same, little bit debt. They've got lease liabilities, of course. Only lease liabilities. That's debt as well. Revenue 44. This was up until last year, of course, not yet. But cash 4.3, debt there. Now, growth is very good. Value is decent. Momentum, just not there. Health, questionable. Efficiency is good. Potential is good. So you got momentum and health questionable. Health, I assume, will improve, of course, as soon as you get. And what Pete said was they don't mention anything about profit in the trading update. Now, trading updates are highlights of full years to come. So by highlights, I mean they'll give the best. Not so much XP Factory. All companies will give the best. And I like it to an estate agent advertising a house. They never show you the crap garden if it's a crap garden. They're looking at all the rest of the house, So you've got to think, what's not in the trade update? So that's that. So price earnings, of course, they're negative there. Let's scroll down to the forecast. And you can see here, this has materially changed over time. They were going to be more profitable sooner. But you see here, for 2024, they're forecasting a little bit of a loss. And then they started building a profit 2024, and it really starts picking up in 2026. But I just genuinely think this may rally with interest rates again. It's this sector has been hammered. This is one of the companies being hammered as well in that sector. So when you get that and you get a change in the sentiment and outlook, it can rally very strongly. And I think this is the best of the bunch on AIM. So I think this could rally very strongly when the market starts to rally and people stop worrying, interest rates coming down, cost of living eases a bit. So yeah, so look at that. Looking at sales of 57 million, 58 million, 68 million. Got a bit of debt. Let's look at the chart. Like I said, we know the momentum is dead on this. And you see literally downward trend, a series of lower highs, lower lows. So it really needs to get above this level, break this level first, break 200-day moving average, and that's that. Okay, everyone. What's your thoughts on XP Factory? Good takeover target though. Alan, no. Robert SH. Robert, your swear is getting rougher and rougher. I don't know if I can. Some of this will go on YouTube, so I don't know if I can say that. You shouldn't use the C word. Only kidding. It was that. Anyway, yes, debt is high, but still growing well and seem to be getting some institutional support. I think it'll do well. Honestly, I do think it'll do very well once this cost of living crisis and sentiment changes. I do think it'll do well. But I would wait to see the momentum pick up, the results to come out first, so you can see it all. And we'll look at it again when the results come out and see, what their balance sheet is like. All that. How does some XP kept going down? What's wrong with it? Yeah, I think the fact that it was pushed out, the profits were pushed out. They've changed. They changed brokers, and then something's changed, and it's gone from being profitable sooner. I've shown that on a previous webinar. I compared the broker notes from, and it's changed completely. So I don't know what happened. The costs have gone up. Cost of living, maybe, of course, energy costs gone up. Maybe the national living wage has gone up, hit them a lot. So I'm assuming that's what's happened. That's why it's pushed out. I don't know what's going on, but the growth is very good, but the costs have gone up. So, well, that's why energy prices and living wage. Mark, XPF, yes. XPF, you bought these, sold down 5 days ago, over 50% of my holdings. I sold down 5 days ago. 50% of your holdings. Wow. XPS, yes. Nirav says. Mixes, yes. Robert says no. Tim says not yet. BDF Investors Management bought 24 million on the 12th of April. Okay. I think this will be an excellent recovery play. I do, honestly. Yeah, it's just, I said the forecast has changed. This was going to be profitable a lot sooner on better margins. And that's changed. When things change, you've got to change your mind. But I think you'll do well once the recovery happens.